Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show to you how to make this effect, the old school turn text effect in Photoshop, from like this to become like this. Pay attention to the hint of the shortcut at the bottom of the screen. So let me show you. First, this is my layer. You can type whatever you want, but this is I show you the formation. First, I copy the group by press Ctrl J, and then I convert to smart object. Then I use filter, blur gallery, field blur. Okay, I move this slider to here. I think one. Okay, I use 25, and then I click here to make the new slider. Here I use 0, and then make another one. Here I use 1. This is okay for me. And then I go to filter gallery. Sorry. First, before go to filter gallery, make sure that this setting, the black in front of the white, so that is the default. So press D to reset to default, and then go to filter, filter gallery. Okay, first fit in view to see all. I use a graphic pen. If you cannot find the graphic pen, here in the sketch folder, graphic pen. Okay, I adjust the balance. Okay, I think 80 is good, and then I use tone edge, then I arrange the setting here. I think this is good. Okay, and then I use level. I click, I fill with black, then I brush with white. I use 100 opacity, flow 100. I arrange to around 30. then I add a gradient map. Where is gradient map? Here. And then I clip. I change the setting here. Okay, this one I use, sorry, the black I change to orange. Okay, I fill with black. To give more artistic look, I make new layer. I fill, edit, fill with gray, 50% gray. I convert it to smart object. I change to overlay, and then I go to filter, noise, add noise. Okay, this is the before, this is the after. And then I add blurriness. Oh, sorry. Filter blur, Gaussian blur. I add some Gaussian blur to the noise. Okay, this is the before, this is the after. Think too much. This is already good for me. Please subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial. Thank you.